Christmas 2008 are just coming out. So look at the presents. It's raining today, but kind of a clear day.
See? Oh my God. Go over there, Elsa, look.
What is it?
What is it? Samantha doll. It looks like an American doll. It is American.
Oh,
Can you get
is she waving? Ooh, Santa must have come this year, after all.
Look at the outfit.
Huh?
Her little boots. Oh, look at that. Looks like just like the picture. It is her.
It is?
Yeah, and she's Samantha doll.
Is it Samantha doll?
I don't think she's Samantha doll. She is. She's a beautiful doll. She's Samantha doll. She has brown eyes. For real, she is Samantha doll. Oh. Because I said I wanted Samantha doll to Santa, and then he gave me some. Oh my gosh. Let me see the hat. Hey, look at that.
What was that?
Santa ate his cookies. Oh, wow.
Did he?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because look, there's a little bit gone. Are you sure Santa ate it? Yeah. There's only a little bit left.
Only a little bit.
And his milk, he drank all of it. Let's see. Let me see the milk. Let me see the plate. He drank just a little bit. Ooh. Well, he did eat all of it. Oh, okay. There's a little bit left.
That's good.
Hey, what's in that box of bag? This bag? I don't know. There's a little purse. Maybe that's an empty box. What's in the bag? This bag. This bag? Oh, there's little clothes for my doll, and there's a little book about her. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, look, little shoes. Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
Let me see, Alyssa.
Show Daddy, Alyssa.
Show 'em. You always block your face. Put your thing down a little bit. Let me see. Oh, there you go. Okay, good.
And little shoes and a little outfit.
Ooh, is that for you, Alyssa?
For Samantha. And two little books for Samantha. What Ashley gave me.
What Ashley gave you?
Yeah. I'm going to open where I started to open.
Wow, what is that? Oh my goodness. What is it?
A little makeup set.
It says Dream Dazzles. Dream Dazzlers. Is it a makeup set?
I think it is.
Let me see. Look up here.
Which one is from Aunt Tammy?
Let's go look. See if we can find it.
Mommy told me that we should So those are from us.
But Mommy, I think Mommy wrapped Aunt Tammy. These are from Aunt Tammy. Yeah, this.
Can I open it up?
Sure. Why don't you bring it out here? Bring it over here and open it up.
Can I keep them?
What?
Can I keep them?
Sure. Here, let's open them up over here.
You mean... Who wants hot chocolate?
Me.
Me.
Oh, what happened to my other? What happened to this? Oh.
Is hot chocolate
Oh,
for
sorry.
breakfast? Hot chocolate's for breakfast, right? But there's also cream of wheat. A little book.
It's a little book. What's a book? Book of what?
Animals. Oh, a lot of presents.
Looks like a book of birds to me. Alyssa, what's this word right here? Alyssa, what's this word right here? Those are binoculars. I see. So you can see the birds. You can look through and see them real up close. Oh, thank you. Oh. Hey, Alyssa, you got change. You got change.
This is your gift to me, Neil.
Woo! Look at that. Is it big? Oh, that's a pretty bow.
Where's the small bow? Oh, you put it over there? She wants to put the bow
Mignon, open it up. Open it up.
Oh, so nice. Honey. We did it. Thank you. Beautiful.
Oh my God, you like this outfit.
Oh my goodness, Alyssa. That's beautiful.
Hey, is that for your clothes? Those are too small for Alyssa.
Oh, maybe we have to return it.
Those are too small for Alyssa. Oh, what is it? What is it? Let's look. Whoops. What is it, Mignon? What is it? Oh, you like it? You like it?
Does it have a microwave?
It's got.
It has a microwave. Right.
You know what? It has to be put together, I think.
Yeah. A little Daddy will do